Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. Today I am going to take one small topic, okay, just introduced in this year, and you are going to learn in detail in the engineering mathematics. A simple, very simple basic concepts, okay, of binary operation. Already you know about different operations, right? How many different types of operations you learn in mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So based on these four basic operations, I am going to define what I mean by binary operation. Some properties are there, some very simple basic problems are there. Only introduction is there in this year for you, remember that. So in detail, as I told, you are going to learn in engineering mathematics. Okay, so I'll first define, see properly. An operation ಅಂದ್ರೆ addition, subtraction, multiplication ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು special operations ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. So only addition, subtraction, multiplication. An operation star, I can't take directly plus or minus or multiplication or division. I have to take in general. Let it be star. An operation star on a non-empty set S. It should be non-empty. Non-empty and at least it must contain a single element. If there is no element, there is no meaning for operation between the elements. Okay, so at least one element actually one minimum two irbek. An operation star on a non-empty set S is called a binary operation. Is called a binary andre two, right? Is called a binary. And it means two, right? So operation between two elements is called a binary operation if this condition is important. A unique the word important, a unique A star B, that star can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or maybe other than that also. Okay, a unique A star B belongs to S andre E set ge for all A comma B belongs to S. That means you take any two elements from the non-empty set S and apply this operation. Okay, apply this operation, then it must satisfy this condition. A unique A star B belongs to S for all A comma B belongs to S. In 2019, the first question is this itself. Usually ನೀವು definition ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. So part A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು question ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ 100 marks ಹೋಯ್ತು. Okay, so be careful. This question is asked in 2019 final exam for 1 mark. Define a binary operation. Then definition must be like this. An operation star on a non-empty set S is called a binary operation if a unique A star B belongs to S for all A comma B belongs to S. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. Okay, addition. Operation is addition. Okay, set, non-empty set, let it be natural number ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Very good. So now let us check whether this operation on this set is a binary operation or not. Okay, we have to check whether this is a binary operation or not. Idu check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to verify this condition. Okay, so take two elements, any two elements you can consider. A comma B belongs to n. Okay, then is it the sum of two natural number is again natural number? ಎರಡು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Obvious. Whenever you add two natural number, the resultant is always a natural number. And one more question, is it unique? This is unique? Obvious. 2 plus 3 ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 5. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 2 plus 3 can it be equal to 6? Or can it be equal to some other number? No, this is unique. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, the output of this operation is always unique, and it is not only for this, for every natural number. Okay, for every natural number this holds. Remember, for every natural number this condition holds. So what is the conclusion? Therefore addition is a binary operation, operation. where on natural number, on set of all natural number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? The addition is a binary operation on set of all natural number. Okay, let me take one more example. See example number 2. Like this only I will take an example. First I will consider an operation. Operation is minus, subtraction. Operation is subtraction. Set natural number. Don't think that I am teaching how to add and subtract. Yeah, I am explaining that, but it is not only that. That you know, the only that part you know already. So I am explaining more than that. Observe please carefully. Okay. So take two element belongs to natural number. Then question comes whether this subtraction is always a natural number. ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, okay, if you identify this is true, then you must be able to give an example. Any example is there where the subtraction is not a natural number? Yes, very good. For example, take a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Is it 2 and 3 are natural number? Obvious. Okay, then when a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, what is 2 minus 3? A minus b, that is 2 minus 3 minus 1. Is it belongs to n? Definitely no, alva. Is it minus 1 is a natural number? No. Remember, unique condition satisfies. The minus 1 is unique, adalli confusion illa. Unique satisfies, but yav satisfy agalla, it is not, resultant is not again a natural number. So what is the conclusion? Because of this, subtraction is not a binary operation, is not a binary operation, where it is not a binary operation on n. Suppose I'll n take the z hakiri, if I replace n by z, then it can be a binary operation on set of all natural number. Subtraction cannot be a binary operation on set of all natural number. Subtraction cannot be a binary operation. Let me take one more example. Operation division. Operation is division. Set is set of all integers. Now you have to think, if I take two integers, okay, if I take two integer, is it this condition holds? A unique a division b belongs to z, okay, for all a comma b belongs to z. Is it true? If this is true, then division is a binary operation. If this is not true, then you must be able to give an example. Is it true? No. Why this is not true? See, when a is equal to tell me one example. When a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, enagate, what is a by b or a divide b? A is to be a divided by b, 5 by 2. Is it a natural number? No, it is not a natural number. Artha aita? Division cannot be a natural integer. It is not an integer because this is a rational number. Artha aita? Since it is not an integer, this is not always true. So what is the conclusion? Division is not a binary operation, where on z this is not a binary operation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? A unique a star b belongs to s for all a comma b belongs to s. Understood what I am telling? Very good. The next question. I hope this much you understood, right? Now like this we have so many different examples. See, up to now you saw in this first three example, addition, subtraction, division. Now I will take some other examples other than these operations. Okay, you must be able to identify whether it is a binary operation or not for these next type of examples also. So let me take one more example. See, I'll define one operation. Define a operation, star. Okay, the next example is different from the previous three. Okay, here I am not just using addition, subtraction, multiplication. Observe carefully. Define a binary operation star on a real number, okay, by A star B equal to AB by 2. AB by 2. Now check or tell me whether this operation is binary operation or not. Okay, question may like come like this. Is star a binary operation? Is star a binary operation? One mark ki kelo chances ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Okay, observe carefully. A star B ಏನು? AB by 2. Now, is it always a real number for all A comma B belongs to R? Unique condition almost in all problem satisfies. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು confusion ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Unique condition fail ಆಗೋ ತುಂಬಾ rare. But always okay fails this condition. ಈ condition fail ಆಗೋ chances ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So unique ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, it's okay. ಅದು verify ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. Now check or now tell me whether this is always a real number. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. when this expression is not a real number, can you tell me? When the denominator is 0. Denominator 0 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Not possible because denominator is 2. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there is no square root. So denominator is not equal to 0, there is no square root, then this must be a real number for all real number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So unique and belongs to, therefore star is a binary operation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? Star is a binary operation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರದ್ದು. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಎ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ by a star b is equal to a to the power b. A star b is equal to a to the power b. Maybe question is like this only. Is star a binary operation? You have to check. One more question. Is star is a binary operation or not? Okay, same procedure. Take a star b is equal to a to the power b. Correct? Now question comes. Illi aste unique case not an issue. Okay, unique case is not an issue, but whether this belongs to R for all a comma b belongs to R. If this is true always, then it is a binary operation. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ a and b ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, where you can say it is not belongs to R? Can you give me one example or can you give me two values, one for a, one for b, so that a star b is not a real number? Any examples? Yeah, first my example is, take a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is a star b? According to this operation, what is a star b? 0 to the power 0. ಹೌದಾ? Is it 0 power 0 is a real number? Is it a well defined number? See, power 0 ಆದ್ರೇನು, we call the answer is 1. Base is 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ? There are two possible. There is no definite value. This is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form definitely not belongs to, definitely not belongs to R. Nenpalli 0 power 0 never belongs to R. So this one example is enough to say that it is not belongs to R for all a comma b belongs to R. Therefore star is not a binary operation. Not a binary operation. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೇಕ್ a is equal to -2, b is equal to half. Take a is equal to -2 and b is equal to half. a star b ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? -2 to the power half. Is it square root of -2 is a real number? No. Even you can give the example of this kind. So this is one more example to say that a star b is not a binary operation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? Either this example or this type of example. This is a famous example, easy to remember. So a equal to 0, b equal to 0. One example ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ, not an issue. But if you are not able to recall, you can recall like this also. Bring imaginary numbers. Okay? So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Okay. Let me take few more examples to make this work more better. Okay, because usually one question ಕೇಳೋ chance is the define binary operation ಅಥವಾ give an example of a binary operation, or question will be asked to you whether it is a binary operation or not. So let me take one more example. Example number 4, just like this only. Define an operation star, okay, on q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? rational numbers by a star b equal to a by b. equal to A by B. Okay, question is same. Is star a binary operation? Is star a binary operation? This binary operation, A by B, is it in the form of rational number? Okay, not an issue. Check whether unique, as I told, not an issue. Check whether A by B is belongs to Q for all A comma B belongs to Q. Is it always a real number? Sorry, rational number? Nothing in answer. A by B, okay, rational number, not an issue at all. But there is a issue. There is a problem where you can't say this is a rational number. Can you tell me? See, when B is equal to 0, if B is equal to 0, A star 0 is A by 0. Is it A by 0 is a rational number? Never. A by 0 does not exist. So here denominator can be 0 because of that. Okay, because of this reason, what the star is not a binary operation. Artha aita heltirodu, star is not a binary operation. So last example to make this work perfect. Okay, see this, I'll take one more example. Define an operation star on real number by A star B is equal to root of AB. Is star a binary operation? Can you tell me? Is star is a binary operation? Easily the answer ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ try ಮಾಡಿ. Maybe your answer is what? It is not a binary operation. Why it is not a binary operation? Can you give me an example to say that it is not a binary operation? Yes, very good. Take A is equal to 1, B is equal to -2. Again agate, what is 1 star of -2? It is root of -2. Root of -2, it does not belongs to real number. So because of this, conclusion, star is not a binary operation. Star is not a binary operation. Artha aita? Next video dalli we are going to learn some properties of binary operation. Remember that. Okay, so I hope this definition, the example understood now. Very good. Thank you.